All right, quick little rundown of homework. I'll just go through it really quickly. Let's do evens of these. Okay, you can get away with doing evens. It's better to do them all. They don't take too much time. Just don't forget, if I'm converting this, I'm gonna have to add that in at the end when I've got a mixed number to start with, and when I've got a mixed number as an answer, that's always gonna be a division problem. Okay. Down here, I've got 12 yards. I want to turn them into feet. So am I gonna get more feet or less feet? 12 yards equals 3 feet. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense, right? So you got to think about what operation you're going to use here. If I'm getting something smaller, I need more of them. Remember that. If I'm getting something smaller, I need more of them. More of them means multiply. More of them means multiply. You get it? All right. And over here, Christy bought an 8-foot piece of lumber to trim a bookshelf altogether. She needs 100 inches. Did she buy enough? So I got to take feet, convert it into inches, and see, or I got to divide inches and see if that's the same. Okay. So I would multiply. I would just take 8 and multiply and get that. All right. Real quick. Okay, on the back side, pretty simple. If it's yards long, into feet. So think about that, all right? Ellen needs to buy 180 inches of ribbon to wrap a large present. That is a lot. The store sells ribbon only in whole yards. How many yards does Ellen need? So this is a two-step problem. I would convert from inches to feet and then from feet to yards, okay? Or you can skip all of that and go right to that 36. Okay, so it's up to you how comfortable you feel. If you want big numbers, small numbers, it's up to you. So you can use your chart or you can take it 2 steps, right? I want to get to yards. If I go from inches, the next one up is feet, and then from there to yards. Or I just go straight from inches to yards, but it's a bigger multiply, okay? All right, Mackenzie's working for a catering company. She's making iced tea for an upcoming event. This is like our function boxes from the last time. For each container of tea, she uses 16 tea bags and 3 cups of sugar. So it goes 16 and 3, all right? You've got to carry this all the way out. I'll just give you the next one is 32 and then 6, right? Okay, and this is tea bags, and this is sugar, right? Cups of sugar. And so you just go all the way out until you get to 64 and find out what that number is. You know what this relationship is, right? So if it's they're gonna make that tougher on you. Yeah. So there's not a good relationship here. So just add the next one on. So 32 plus 16, right? Plus 16. Okay, and then plus 3, and you'll eventually get to the answer that you want. All right, Javier bought 48 sports cards. Of the cards, 3/8 were baseball. This is a multiply. Remember, 48 has a whole number. Every whole number has a denominator of 1, right? And then you multiply, okay, you get some kind of large improper fraction. If I get an improper fraction, what do? Divide. Okay, quotient means get the answer. I would always, of course, rewrite that. Okay, big numbers there. And then what is the unknown number in sequence 2 in the chart? So I've got to find my relationship here, and I always start with my small numbers so I know what to multiply when I get down there. It actually makes this one really easy. They just added a 0 to the end, right? That's a 4, and that's a 40, that's a 1, and that's a 10, that's an 8, that's a easy one. All right, good luck with the homework.